Hello, everyone. I'm Brogan Farron, an ICD volunteer and the conference chair for the 2022 ICD conference. Today, we are here with Ms. Tiffany Blassingame, one of our presenters in the conference in Chicago on the 21st through the 24th of September. Welcome, Tiffany.
Thank you for having me.
Could you share, since you are a professional organizer, can you share one decluttering or organizing tip that makes your life better?
Yes, it's one I share with families all of the time, and we use it in this home, that your morning routine begins at night. So everything that you know that you need for in the morning that you can think of, that you have this routine where you set yourself up. So whether that's, computer charged and in your bag, whether that's the basketball or the tennis outfit that you need later, whatever it is, that kids are doing it and parents are doing it, and you're modeling for your child what's expected. Your morning routine begins at night, and that makes things a lot easier.
Sure does. I remember hating mornings when I was a kid because it was always a crisis, and I'd be running out the door with toast, because I wasn't on time. Mom wasn't on time. And then I run into the bus stop with toast in my hand. Starting the night before would have been very helpful.
Yeah.
Very helpful. Well, thank you so very much for giving us some insight onto what we can expect when we get to Chicago. Your presentation is on the 23rd of September at 8:30 in the morning.
Thank you so much for allowing me to share, Brogan.
Thank you, Tiffany. Appreciate it.